This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Richie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $500 plus daily typing names online. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And make sure you give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, opinions, or concerns about what I'm talking about today in this video. And don't forget to type the code word that pops up in this video. So you're going to have to watch this video all the way to the very end, because when you see that code word and type it down in the comments below, that's going to help you increase your chances in winning some free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. So make sure you watch this video to the very end and watch for the code word. Alright guys, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm at the first website. I'm going to show you two of them. So the name of this website is Squadhelp. So this is the website where you're going to be able to make money typing names. So let's just go ahead and read a little bit about it, and then I'll show you how to sign up and how everything works. So it says here, launch a naming contest to engage hundreds of naming experts as you're guided through our agency level naming process, or exploit our hand-picked collection of premium names available for immediate purchase. So this is for companies that come here and they looking to start a business and they looking for a good name and also logo. So when they come here, they're gonna start a contest, or they could just click this right here and view names already for sale. So that's what this website does. So what you're going to do is, once you come here and sign up, you're going to click where it says, let's go right here. Let me show you where you need to go. Okay, so you're going to go right here where it says become a creative. And it's going to take you to this page right here. And as you can see, it says, think you are creative? Join our community and participate in branding contests. Submit unique name ideas or logo designs to companies. Win cash awards if your idea is selected. So let's just see how it works. So the first thing you're going to do is submit your ideas in naming, slogan, or logo contests. And then contest holders rate your ideas and provide feedback. And then number 3, earn cash rewards if your idea is selected by the company. And number 4, earn badges and points and bragging rights when your ideas are liked. And let's just scroll down here where it says the frequently asked questions. I might just look at a couple or maybe just one of them, because I need to show you something else. So right here it says, how will I get paid? So we use PayPal to send all payments. So you would need a PayPal account, guys, if you want to get paid. And let's just scroll down here where it says, how much can I earn if I win a contest? Most of our contests typically have an award amount between $100 and $300. Some contests may have higher award amount. And I'm going to show you the amount you can win. And I'm going to show you can win, you can be rewarded up to $500. So let me take you to that page. So you're going to go right here where it says active contests. And it's going to take you to this page right here. And as you can see, here's one reward right here, $500. So name for online course platform. And you see it's been a lot of entries and nobody has been rewarded yet. And here's one, $375. And it's been over 3,000 entries on there. And as you can see, it's a lot more. And they all ranging from 300 and some of them are 500. So guys, all you have to do is just come up with a unique name and you can be rewarded $300, $400, and even $500 and maybe even more. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, I'm not that creative. I can't come up with some good names. Well, I'm going to take you to a website that's going to do it for you. So let's go ahead and go to that website right now. Okay, I'm at the website right now. And the name of this website is Namelix. I'm guessing that's how you pronounce it. But as you can see here, it says business name generator. Generate a short, brandable business name using artificial intelligence. So you're going to get name ideas and it's going to filter results and you'll be able to save the names that comes up with it, that this generator comes up with. So let's just go ahead and test it out. Now, I went ahead and put in health. So let's just say it's a company, a health company trying to come up with a name. So, and that's one of their keywords. So you're going to find in their contest requirements for whatever name they want you guys to come up with or logo, they're going to have some keywords in there that you guys just look for. So if it was like a health company, that they're going to have the word health in there. So I just go ahead and put in health. And then you're going to click right here where it says generate. It's going to take you to this page right here. So you will select at least one name length. So if you wanted 3 to 6 letters, 6 to 12 letters, 12 plus letters. So I went ahead and clicked on 3 to 6 letters. Click on generate right here. It's going to go ahead and generate the names, and voila, there are some names, and matter of fact, a logo too. And here's some names up here too. You have to pay for that, but we want to get them free. So all these names are generated for a health company that you guys can pick with the logo to present to them. And of course, you could, whatever name you pick, you could save it. So you just click that, save that one, save that one. So if they don't like this one, you can select this one and present it to them. Then select that one and present it to them. So you have a lot of names you can choose from if they don't like one of these names. All right, guys, that's it. That's the steps. So that's it, guys. All you have to do is just go over to Squadhelp, sign up, and go to business link and generate names and present them to Squadhelp to the contests that are presented. And before you know it, you can be rewarded up to $500. So go ahead and go to squadhelp.com and namelix.com. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. But please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And make sure you drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And don't forget to type the code word that pops up on the screen in the comments below so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers, which will hopefully be in a couple of weeks in this month of October. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, thank you for your support. Road to 5,000. Let's get there. Just share everything. Share this video, all my videos. Hit that like button. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe. And let's get to 5,000 subscribers. Alright guys, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.